This is the thing I look most forward to eating all day. It is so good. No joke. You want to make this.
Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like.
Good morning, loves. I know things are crazy out there, and I so appreciate you coming to this channel and watching this video here with me today. In times of crisis, we do need a little bit more connection, and we need something to kind of take our mind off of the things we can't control. So I am still forging ahead with my weekly programming and providing you with a video I think you're gonna love. And this is one of the most frequently asked questions that I get on my Instagram and on my blog, and that's what I eat in a day. I thought I would do a what I eat in a day and bring you along for all of the Eattoglow, clear skin, and immune boosting things that I eat in a day. And I have definitely amped up my immunity protocol just because of what's happening in the world right now, and I wanted to share that with you. And I still think with everything happening that it is an important topic and that you can gain a lot of value out of this video. Ooh, and if you are someone who loves to cook and you're looking to really nourish your body to have clear skin, I have an Eattoglow meal plan with over 9 days worth of recipes. It's super streamlined, it makes it easy, tons of tips and tricks, and you can find that in the description below. I'm adding in ingredients like ginger, spinach, fresh mint, all fresh ingredients that have tons of antioxidants. And then I love to add in prebiotic fiber like flax seeds, maybe even some apple to help support my gut. And I also love protein that's natural. So there is protein in spinach, there's protein in hemp seeds. I have really made a transition into having those kind of products instead of more processed protein powders. And I'm also not afraid of fruit. So I love to add in banana, and I'm also adding in some frozen mango, which is really antioxidant packed as well. To really amp up the immune benefits of this smoothie, I'm adding in chaga mushroom, which is the king of functional health mushrooms and is great for supporting the immune system. And last but not least, a little spirulina. Almost forgot that one. Spirulina is another great source of antioxidants and protein. Now taking her over to the blender. This blender is my favorite thing on earth. I'm gonna link it in the description below. If you don't have a high-speed blender, it's the best investment you'll ever make. I use it like 4 times a day, I swear. Another thing I want to add, I know this is what I eat in a day, but I also try to drink half my body weight in ounces of water every day. That really helps with a clear complexion. So I highly suggest you get your water in. And this baby is looking thick. You can add more water to the smoothie if you don't want it to be spoonable and you want more of a consistency that you can drink through a straw. And one thing that makes this smoothie really special is the fact that I add cacao nibs after it's already done blending. So you get a nice little crunch, and it helps you drink it a little bit slower than you would if it was just a plain smoothie without any things you can chew. And you gotta mix in those cacao nibs. And the piece de resistance is the healthy fats. So I love to add probiotic coconut yogurt to support the microbes in my gut, loving organic sunflower seed butter. I find that when I eat too many nuts, they can cause a little inflammation in my body and actually contribute to breakouts. So I'm happy to be eating sun butter for life. Yes. Since I haven't formally introduced my handsome husband, meet Nate. Just say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hi. You look great though.
Okay. Hi. Hello. Okay, there, I did it. Mwah.
Love you.
Alright, Pons. Take it easy.
Shit done. Done from the jump. Up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive and we black.
So for the second meal of the day, I am at a restaurant called Fresh. I'm with my friend Ashley, and we're gonna eat some vegan food. And not all vegan food is anti-inflammatory, but I will show you some really amazing options that are gonna be skin boosting, Eattoglow, delicious. And personally, when I'm out and I'm eating, I do really like to eat vegan food because there are so many veggie options. You can eat things that don't have dairy, don't have excess refined sugars, don't have conventional oils, and it just tastes great. So let's go inside. Wow, this menu is so huge, but everything looks delicious. I definitely know that I want to try this special, which is a turmeric chickpea stew, and they have a vegan super Caesar that looks incredible. Lunch was Nate's playing fetch with phones in the hall, but that lunch was so delicious. If you live in LA, please support that small business and order for them online. It was delicious. I highly recommend it. And first thing I did when I came home was put on full sweatpants and get cozy. And now I'm gonna make a little dinner for Nate and I, something healthy tonight.
Mi corazón es ama sleep shoulder. Wrist thing and they rose gold and right to go from it. Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it.
And I apologize, loves. My kitchen is not conducive for filming. I need to figure out a different solution, but I am prepping the broccoli. I'm gonna steam it, and then I'm gonna pan sear the ahi tuna and make a homemade tartar sauce out of avocado mayo, onion, lemon, cilantro, black pepper, and a little salt. It is so simple, but it has all the components you need for healthy skin. It has healthy, clean protein in the wild-caught ahi. The broccoli is full of phytochemicals and nutrients that are going to give you a youthful glow, and then you have some healthy fats in the tartar sauce. So it is really something that you could throw together in 15-20 minutes, feed your entire family, and boost your skin, immune system, and gut. Say it. What do you say?
Watch it again.
No. I'm not leaving it until you say it. Just say like and subscribe.
Quarantine yourself.
Just say
If
it.
you like it, quarantine.
Please.
I wanna watch a
If you like
movie.
this video, please like and subscribe. Then you'll get more of this character in the back.
Love should be easy. Why should it not?